Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Zahra Kamilah, and today I will be guiding you through a very interesting topic in mathematics. It's called logarithms. Now you might have seen exponents before, like 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. But have you ever wondered 2 to the power of what gives 8? That's where logarithms come in. By the end of this season, you will be able to understand what logarithms are, how they work, and how to solve problems using them. So let's get started. So people from logarithms answer the questions how many of one numbers multiply together to make another numbers. So the example, how many twos multiply together to make 8? So the answer is 3. So we had to multiply 3 of the twos to get 8. So the logarithm is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So that's it. Next, we write it like this. So base 2 of 8 equals 3. So these two things are the same. This is the and that. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. It's something with log base 2 of 8 equals 3. The numbers we multiply is called the base, so we can say the logarithm of 8 with base 2 is 3, or log base 2 of 8 is 3, or the base of 2 log of 8 is 3. Notice we are dealing with 3 numbers. Like the base, the number we are multiplying 2 in the example above. How often to use it in the multiplication in 3 times, which is the logarithm. That's logarithm. Is it the best? So the number we want to get 8. We want to get more simple. Simple. What is log base 5 of 625? We are asking how many 5s need to be multiplied together to get 625. So we need 4, because 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 equals 625. So we need to 4 of the 5. So the answer is log plus 5 of 625 equals 4. The more example, what is log 2 and 64? You're asking how many 2's need to multiply together to get 64. We need 6. Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. It's 6 times, so we get 64. So we need 6 of the 2's. The answer is log plus 2 of 64 equals 6. Next is the exponent. Exponent is and the logarithms are related. Let's find out how they are related. Exponent says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. In the example, 2 to the power of 3 is equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's equals 8. So 2 is used 3 times in the multiplication to get 8. In the exponent is 3, base is 2. Next, so a logarithm answer questions like this, like 2, how many 2, how many 2, and then we get 8. In this way, 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. And this logarithm is log 2 is base, and then 3 in exponent is, and 8 is what we want to find. We want to get logarithms as what the exponent is, right? In the example, the base is 2 and the exponent is 3. Yes. So the logarithm answer questions what exponent do we need for one number to become another number. General case is something like the a to the power of x equals y. X a is base and y is what we want to get in x is in the exponents. Example is 10 log plus 10 of the 100. 10 to the power of 2 equals 100. So an exponent of 2 is needed to make 10 into 100, and the logarithm base 10 of 100. It's equals 2. So and the exponent is 2. And the next common logarithm is 10. Sometimes logarithm is written without a base like this, like log log 100. And more example is log 1000. It's equals log less than 100. It's equals 3. This usually means that the base is really tiny. It is called a common logarithm. So engineers love to use it. On a calculator, it is the log pattern. It's it it is how many times we need to use in a multiplication to get our desired number. So next, it's a negative logarithms for many divided. The example was log was 5 of 0.008. So it's 1 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 3. So log is 5 of 0.008 equals negative 3. Why negative? But the logarithms deal with multiplying. What is the opposite of multiplying? That's dividing. A negative logarithm is how many times to divide by the number. We can have just one divide. What is log base? Take 0.125. Well, it's 1 divided 8. It's equals 0.125. So look, base take of 0.125. It's equals to minus 8 negative logarithms. Well, it all makes sense when multiplying and dividing are all part of the same simple pattern. Let us look at some base 10 logarithms as an sample. Like looking at the tables, how positive zero or negative logarithm are really part the same. If I will simple pattern, it's logarithm is plus base 10 logarithms. That's it. All right. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on logarithms. We learn how logarithms are the inverse of exponent, of how to read and write logarithmic exponents, and how to solve basic logarithms. problems. Understanding logarithm is not just about memorizing formulas. It's about seeing and seeing the relationship between numbers and powers. Thank you for your attention and keep practicing and don't be afraid to explore more challenging problems because math only gets more exciting from here. So see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.